Kusaqhubeka ukutakulwa kwabasebenzi abawelwe ibhilidi ebelisakhiwa eGeorge, eWestern Cape. Yize abasebenzi abangu-37 betakuliwe kwimfucuza kaKhonkolo emva kokuwa kwebhilidi elinezitezi ezinhlanu ebelisakhiwa, imindeni yozakwabo abavalelekile ilindile, isalinde izindaba zokutakulwa kwabathandiweyo bayo. Imishini yokubhidliza ihanjisiwe endaweni lapho kuwe khona leli bhilidi laseGeorge, kodwa-ke iWestern Cape Disaster Management isalokhu iqhubekile nokuhlenga. Kuze kube manje bangu-29 abasebenzi asebetakuliwe, kodwa abangu-39 basavaleleke ngaphansi kwemfucumfucu.
A number of people, as you know, that were trapped that we could hear. There were people that we located with the dogs, and then we went in with our seismic equipment and we were able to release a large number of people. I think as far as I know, and it's probably one of the largest number of people that have ever been rescued in a building collapse of this nature. But this building has provided a whole range of challenges from a rescue perspective, and although we went at high risk to save lives over the last 2 days, what's very important for us is our own people's safety. So the stage that we are in now it's a long and difficult stage, because you now have to look for 39 bodies in a structure of 5 stories that have collapsed. So you literally have a building like that which is sitting here. Trying to find those bodies is very, very difficult.
Abatakuli basebenze ubusuku bonke befuna abakhi abacishe babe ngu-40 abasavaleleke ngaphansi kwemvithi yokuwa kwebhilidi eGeorge. Basebenza ngaphansi kwengcindezi emangalisayo, futhi baphumule kancane kusukela ngoMsombuluko. Amalungu omndeni akhathazekile abuthene endaweni yokubhidlike khona ibhilidi laseGeorge, eWestern Cape, njengoba kuqhubeka imizamo yokuthola abantu abecela ku-40 ngobusuku besithathu. Sibonke indlebe, sicela usubscribe ukuze uzothola ezilandelayo. Inkanyezi News.